Hello, welcome back to another episode of Creatainment. Today, we are going to discuss about one of the most important theory in human development, that is ecological system theory. Ecological system theory. Theory was proposed by Yuri Bronfenbrenner. The theory's name is very interesting to pronounce, Yuri Bronfenbrenner. Theory is also called contextual view of human development. Contextual view of human development. So both the names are actually can be applied here. Both context and ecology stands for the term environment. So the theory is very important because we have already learned that human development is influenced by two important factors. One is hereditary and other is environmental factors. This theory is actually an important theory among the environmental factors. So let us move to the theory. So as I told, the theory was developed by Yuri Bronfenbrenner. Thus, words ecology and also context stands for environmental factors. Yuri Bronfenbrenner has proposed there are 5 important systems in human development. Human development is being influenced by 5 important systems. They are microsystem, then mesosystem, exosystem, macrosystem, and chronosystem. 5 important systems. Once again, micro, meso, exo, macro, and chronosystem. This theory is very simple. You can see the individual here. You and me actually stands here, individual here. And individual is being surrounded by 4 important systems. Which are the systems? The nearing environment is microsystem. Then just after that, mesosystem. Then after that, exosystem. Then macrosystem. You can also note down one more thing. One more system is given here, chronosystem. But that is not actually surrounding the individual. All other systems are actually surrounding the individual. Okay, let us examine one by one. And one more thing, let us go to, at the end, we will move to this chronosystem and we will realize that why this is not actually surrounding the individual. So you and me actually stands here. This is the graphical representation of the theory, ecological system theory. The first system is microsystem. Microsystem, the smallest system. Actually, that includes our family, our peer groups, teachers, and neighborhood. A small child, after coming to the world from his mother's womb, first meets his or her parents. He or she actually get influenced by the parental behavior, their training, their love, care, attention, everything. Father, mother, their language, their communication, their training, and the siblings, everything. So they are getting influenced by the family members. Just after that, the peer groups, which is nearing to his or her family. And the neighborhood. Neighborhood doesn't mean that far neighborhood. The neighborhood which is very near to his or her family. Then also the teachers. Just when he or she reaches to 3-year-old, 4-year-old, he reaches in school. So as a second parent, the teacher and the small peer group around him or her actually trains him and help him to develop or mold his or her behavior. So this nearest or immediate environment with which an individual lives is called microsystem. That's why I told at the middle the individual, and it is being surrounded by microsystem, the immediate environment in which an individual lives. The next system is mesosystem. Before going to discuss about mesosystem, let me tell you what is exosystem, because without even telling what is exosystem, it is unimportant and you won't be able to understand what is mesosystem. Ecosystem. Ecosystem is actually events in social setting and individuals events in social settings, especially the events that happening in neighborhood, what is happening among friends, and also in the workplace, family environment, and mass media. All these are coming under this environmental settings and its happenings. Sometimes, for example, some of the happenings in the job environment, that is actually the child is growing day by day, child is growing and he reaches in the college, he reaches in the neighborhood, he reaches in the workplace. All these are coming under this workplace behavior. Then mass media. A lot of things are coming through mass media. The child is actually being influenced by it. Okay, so exosystem is very important, and also we are going to discuss about the most important thing, that is mesosystem. So events in social setting actually influence an individual a lot in his or her personal and social life. Friends, the clash between friends, the helping mentality, and the behavior that learned from the friends, and also the happenings in the neighborhood and workplace, supervisors and managers' behavior, mass media, and the information and learning that take place through the mass media. All these are actually forming and molding an individual's personal and social life. So, exosystem is the third system, and it is actually the events in social setting that helps an individual to form his or her behavior. Now, let us go back to the previous one, that is mesosystem. Mesosystem is actually the interaction of microsystem and exosystem. That's why I told, without discussing about exosystem, discussion about mesosystem is meaningless. Interaction of microsystem and exosystem. I will tell you an example. What are the things coming under microsystem? The parents, family, neighborhood, etc. So, and when the child reaches in the 12th grade or 11th grade, actually he or she is getting influenced by the friends and the teachers, all these. So, in this setting, the teachers are coming under exosystem, not the KG teacher. The elder teachers are coming under the exosystem, and parents are coming under microsystem. There will be possibility for an interaction between microsystem and exosystem. This influences the child a lot. Okay, I will tell an example. You can just imagine PTM, the parents teacher meeting. So the interaction between parents and teacher during PTM will influence you a lot, isn't it? Okay, imagine that the a teacher is saying, I'm really proud of this particular child. I am very happy with it. I am very happy with him or her. These words actually influence a lot, because you can just imagine what are the happenings in your family during that night, isn't it? Okay, you will be loved and cared by father and mother, everyone. Okay, and what if this what if it happens in an entirely different way? Okay, teaches us that he is always making mistake. I'm having really headache with this particular child. He is very naughty. He's not even learning, and he's not even listening anything in the class. What will be the result? You can imagine what will be the happenings in the family during that day. Okay, means interaction between microsystem and exosystem influence you and me a lot. Okay, in another way. Okay, this is one example, interaction of microsystem and exosystem. Sometimes imagine that you are a little late to reach in home. Okay, father and mother might call your friend. Okay, so what happens? They may say that I have already reached in home. I don't know about him or her. You can just imagine what will be the condition in the family, isn't it? Okay, so microsystem and exosystem usually get interacted. This is mesosystem. Okay, let us move to the fourth system, that is macrosystem. When an individual reaches in the real life setting, he or she is getting influenced by the culture, its ideologies, traditions, beliefs, attitudes, and everything. This is actually the macro system, the biggest level. He is being influenced. He might after 12th grade or in the UG or PG post graduation, he might reach us in different parts of the world. He might get interacted with the different traditions, different culture. Many acculturation may happen, you know that, and beliefs and attitudes might be changed. He might be getting influenced by various isms and school of thoughts. You know that. Okay, so these type of influences are coming under macro system. So we have completed the first three systems. Micro, the nearest environment. Meso, the interaction of microsystem and exosystem. Exosystem is what is happening in the social setting, neighborhood, workplace, mass media, etc. The last one is macrosystem, ideologies, traditions, beliefs. Okay, then you can just remember once again, we have completed all these things. Micro, family, religious setting, neighborhood, peer groups, school, etc. And the friends ecosystem, in ecosystem, friends, mass media, neighborhood, workplace, neighborhood, etc. are coming. And you can see this place is kept blank. Why? Because it is an interaction area. Okay, interaction between this system and this system, micro and exo, is coming here. That's why it is kept blank. Then later, macro system, ideologies, attitudes, okay, technologies, beliefs, everything coming under it. So every individual will be being surrounded by all these four systems, except chrono system. Why chrono system is given separate? It is not a compulsory system in everyone's life. This is a system. Many individuals may go through it, but it is not a compulsory system in every individual's life. Why I said so? Chrono system actually that is related to time. The events that take place in individual's life course, socio-historical circumstances of the time, sometimes divorce, sometimes economic setback, economic difficulties, and some death or traumatic events, etc. Okay, let us discuss it once again. Here, in chrono system, for example, imagine that a person is met with a traumatic event or divorce. Let us take that example, divorce. Their broken family might influence a child a lot in a bad way in his or her future development. That is correct, broken family. But broken family doesn't happen in every family. It doesn't happen in every individual's life, isn't it? But it happens in someone's life. In those people's life, it makes a lot of changes and it makes a lot of influences. That's why it is coming under chrono system. Death. Many people are, every people will be affected by death, but some people will be broken with those things, or might be some traumatic events like death, like accidents. Those it may influence many people a lot in a bad way, but it is not affecting every individual in that pathetic way. So chrono system, it is not compulsory in every person's life, but wherever and whenever it happens in some individual's life, it is making a lot of changes. That's why it is not compulsory. It happens sometime. Okay, and another example, the abuse. Okay, sometimes a child might be affected by abuse from some of his or her near or dear ones. Okay, that doesn't happen in everyone's life, but if it happens to someone's life, it will collapse the whole life. You know that. That's why these type of things, the the divorce, economic setback, the death, other traumatic incidents, and everything that is related to socio-cultural circumstances. Okay, flood, earthquake, all these are coming under this particular system. Okay, so which are the system we told today? Microsystem, mesosystem, exosystem, macrosystem, and chronosystem. 5 systems. Okay, so this is one of the important theory proposed by Urie Bronfenbrenner. Okay, so Urie Bronfenbrenner has proposed a wonderful theory. It is very easy to remember. We can expect for 4 marks, even for 6 marks. Okay, and there may be a question sometime. Human development is actually being influenced by environmental factors. Okay, substantiate this view according to appropriate theory. You can suggest this theory as one of the best example. Human beings are actually influenced by environmental factors. Till 9 months, the child is being influenced by hereditary factors. That is very true. But what if after 9 months, from 10th month or from his birth onwards, till death, till the last breath, from womb to tomb, till during that particular period, child is being influenced by a lot of environmental factors. That's why even identical twins are different. They may be looking same, but they are very different in their behavior. Okay, ecological system theory. Let us meet again with another beautiful theory tomorrow. Okay, thank you. Till then, bye bye.